Turn off the light.
Light, camera, action.
Too bad.
Brandy, let's go.
Brandy,
like my cake?
Hey, this is the birthday picture. And there's the candy cake.
This is good. You guys suck.
Happy. Ow! That was hot.
I'm pretty sure it would be hot.
Hey, don't touch your candles.
Shut up.
Just don't go.
Okay, that one broke in half, so I had to freaking melt it back together.
bless you. Bless you. He's such a cute little kid.
I know, I love it.
Ready?
What?
We're waiting for
I
you.
felt something in my eye.
I'm not gay.
Hey, baby.
I am amazing. Brandy.
Oh, I just got like a mouse for your hair.
Yeah!
Stop, that's hot.
Stop, Sandy.
Are you videotaping? What are you trying to do?
Yeah, I know.
I gotta take a leak before we go.
Do not touch your cake with the day.
Is it ice cream here or something?
No. It was in the refrigerator.
Ready.
Do you have a cake
I'm
cutter?
touching it.
Do you have a cutter? Do you
I
have
don't even like birthday cake.
do you have a cutter?
Yes.
Real one?
Look at the A7S. I love it.
Did you make this cake?
No, I bought it.
And did you put these on it?
No, the lady did.
They already know what you look like. Look, your butt crack showing.
Cute.
I'm joking. Why are you being so